Hola, bienvenidos a Español 1. Hello, welcome to Spanish 1. I am Señora Vasquez, and I'm going to be going over our daily agenda for our open house. Our welcome, about me, what to expect, expectations and rules, supplies, grading policy, late policy and reminder, content for the year, web tools used to learn, class website, our great philosophy for world language, thank you, and contact information. About me, I was born in El Salvador, came to the USA when I was 7 years old. I'm married and have 4 children. Went back to school after being a stay-at-home mom for 12 years. I graduated from CSM, then transferred CSM in La Plata, then transferred to UMCP, College Park. Now I'm working on my master's at Towson University. This is my 7th year working at Lackey High School. This is the only high school that I have ever worked at, and I love it. I love to travel, especially to visit family in El Salvador. And on the weekends, I am a soccer mom to my 2 high school boys, now a junior and now a senior. What to expect each day. So students come in and they sign into the Nearpod. They have a code or a link that they go to and they sign into the Nearpod. On the board, they will see a daily agenda. On the Nearpod, the first thing that they do is they do a repasito, a warm-up. Then we go through the lesson, and within the lesson, I embed interactive activities. And then they end the lesson with an exit ticket, and sometimes with a quiz. Our syllabus for Español 1 available in our class website. Under General Information, you click on that tab, and then you click on Class on the syllabus, and there's where you find our class syllabus. Expectations and rules. Respect the teacher, respect yourself, respect your classmates, and respect school property. Be on time. That is very important. If students are not in their seat when the bell rings, they are considered late. Students need to participate and complete all work. They need to follow student handbook rules and expectations, follow Charles County Public Schools COVID rules, open communication, no translators, that's a 0, and we are a judgment-free zone in the classroom. Materials for the class: a positive attitude, an open mind, a laptop with a charger. This is very important. They need a laptop and a charger every single day. A composition notebook that is optional for note-taking. Our grading policy is 50% process, since it's just Spanish 1. That would be considered classwork, homework, 50% product, that's tests, quizzes, projects. And this is our grading scale, A, B, C, D, F. Late policy and reminder, absent work. Students have 5 days to make up work after an excused absence. Late work, all late work will receive a grade no higher than a 50%. Academic dishonesty, if a student decides to cheat or plagiarize on an assignment, there will be an automatic 0 on that assignment. Online translators are considered cheating. Content for the year for Spanish 1. We have greetings, farewells, alphabet, punctuation, definite, indefinite articles, formal and informal, asking, answering questions, time, calendar, family, AR, ER, IR, verb conjunction, interrogatives, colors, adjectives, contractions, vocabulary, and cultural information. We have a lot of cultural readings that we do. Now the fun stuff. I use a lot of Web 2.0 tools so that we can learn our vocabulary. We have Quizlet, Flipgrid, where we're going to be recording ourselves, telling our name, our age, where we're from. We have Gimkit, Lookit, Nearpod that we use every day. Each Nearpod every day is 10 points. And this is the textbook where I get all my information to create all my lessons. Our class website is very important. If you go to student view or parent view and you click on the class website, you will find very important information. Right now, Nearpods and more first quarter. This is everything for first quarter, because we do not only do Nearpods every day. Like for example, we had a Quizlet, we have subwork. So if your son or daughter is absent, let's say September 9th, they just got to go to the class website. By the end of the day, this is updated. Click on September 9th, Nearpod number 3, complete the assignment, email Ms. Vasquez that they completed Nearpod number 3, and I go back and I check for completion and I update the grade. Students do the assignments and do not email me. I do not get notifications that they have completed an assignment, so they need to always email me when they complete an assignment. Another thing, in the class website, we have Unidad 1A, Unit 1A, everything on Unit 1A. Then we have vocabulary. Vocabulary for Unit 1A, Unit 1B, Unit 2A, 2B, and so on. These are available also in the classroom in a paper copy. Great philosophy. Growth happens daily as we learn a new language and culture. Relationships are built and strengthened as we navigate new knowledge and cultures together. Excellence is shown in trying our best in everything we do. Accountability for me to bring interesting on-target content to you, my students, who in turn strive to work cooperatively and independently to bring out your best work. Teamwork, very important, makes this all possible. Muchas gracias, thank you, and my contact is jvasquez@ccboe.com. I also do send weekly or bi-weekly progress reports. If you are not receiving those, you need to contact your son or daughter's counselor and let them know that you need to update your email so that you do get those weekly or bi-weekly progress reports so that you can know how your student is doing on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. And thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day. Adios.